That's where we're camped at, and we are looking at some rain coming probably, what's that, 20% today, and then Friday 50%, and Saturday 70%. So it is so needed. I love looking at the sky and the clouds and stuff. It's interesting. But yeah, that looks like it's gonna happen. This is so pretty. The wind is probably 23 miles per hour today, so we'll be sitting in our little area and then all of a sudden we'll have these huge gusts. And it feels really nice. That's where we all gather over here by this tree. And you can see the wind has blown down some chairs already. There's my shuttle bus. That's Shuttle Babe. And over here is my friend Tom's van. It's really nice. And then over here, in this direction, we have Julie Turner van. And the other person that's in our group traveling together is Jack right there. And Jack has a nice camper. So we'll just go around here so you can see it. And I like he has the windows that roll out, so it's really comfortable and nice. He's got a nice little camper there. I love it. Yeah, but this is our group. We are still in northern Arizona. I believe that we're going to take the whole summer and just really enjoy this territory because it's just so comfortable on the temperatures. It's anywhere from 70 to 80, and sometimes it gets up a little higher than that. And then at night, it's usually between 40 and 50 degrees, so it's the optimal time. And I'm sure it's going to change a little bit as we head into July and August, but for the most part, this is just an amazing space to enjoy as far as temperature and beauty. It's just wonderful. We're gonna get some rain, and ooh, we need the rain. It's been long overdue. We're supposed to get about 20% today. Tomorrow it's going to be 50, and then on Sunday it's going to be 70%. So we're happy about that. It's been way too dry, and it's much anticipated. Look up. All right, I'll show you some more in just a sec. Well, I hope you enjoyed everything. It's just wonderful to be able to experience all this nature and get out here. Woo, my hair's a mess. This wind is just making it crazy. But yeah, it's just great to be able to live this lifestyle, enjoy nature to the fullest, and share it with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed that. Beach Cricket out. We'll see you guys in the next video. Please like and share. All right, and subscribe. Okay, bye-bye.